This exercise is asking us to differentiate 8x to the power 4. Now we can write this out as shown here. This means differentiate with respect to x, what's in the bracket, which in this case is 8x to the power 4. The next line of the calculation is shown here, and this is derived from the following. This 4 multiplies this 8, as you can see here, and then we turn our attention to this power and we reduce it by 1, which you can see here as 4 minus 1. Now if we look to the next line of the calculation, we can see it's 32x to the 3. Now this has been derived from this calculation, 4 times 8 giving us 32, and this power of 3 coming from this calculation, 4 minus 1. So if I put this to one side, we can see that the answer to the differentiation of this is equal to 32x cubed. And therefore I can highlight this here as being the answer to the exercise.